Looking for a dynamic, unassumingly small turret that grants you the choice between 24/7 color white floodlights or classic black and white night vision with IR lights? This 5 megapixel IP security camera even has an intelligent mode that actually combines both of those night features. And you can even pair the white lights with the camera's AI smart detection for active deterrence. There's so many nifty features packed into this little budget-friendly turret, it's actually ridiculous. This is the L5TW, and it's easily one of the most popular cameras in our NDAA compliant user-friendly line L series. Today we're taking a closer look at this turret to show you what makes it such a dependable all-around performer, where it really shines, and why we often call it the Swiss Army knife of L series. Real quick, I'm Matt from Nellys Security, and on this channel we equip security pros like yourselves with the knowledge and resources to sell and install top grade security equipment. Subscribe if that sounds like something you'd like to be a part of. Okay, let's get started. This camera has a 5 megapixel 2592 by 1944 resolution, shooting at a crisp 30 frames per second. Because of the uncommon 4:3 aspect ratio, this camera has a wider vertical field of view, giving you more up and down vertical space for viewing. It has a 72-degree vertical field of view and a 96-degree horizontal field of view. The focal length on the L5TW is 2.8 millimeters. It's IP67 weatherproof rated and has a tough full metal housing. Dust, rain, snow, this turret can handle it all. There's a built-in mic for capturing audio, and it's important to note that there is no slot for a micro SD card. So to record footage, you're gonna have to use an NVR. It's ONVIF compatible, so it works with third-party NVRs, although we do recommend using L series NVRs for full compatibility of features. It has an Ethernet port for power and network connectivity, a DC 12 volt port if you wanna power it up that way, and the camera's reset button is found on the pigtail as well. This turret really packs a lot of punch for its small, compact size. You see how small it is compared to the L4T NC from L series? Okay, let's now talk about the biggest features. The L5TW has dynamic ways for capturing night footage. You can choose to have the floodlights turned on automatically when it gets too dark out for 24/7 color. The white lights provide up to 100 feet of visibility. You can also go the infrared route for black and white night footage. The IR lights on the front of the camera provide up to 130 feet of visibility. If you want, you can set the camera's supplement light mode to intelligent, which means the camera by default will have the IR lights on, but when a person is detected by the camera's AI smart detection, the floodlights will turn on, granting you full color, perfect for capturing important events in full color, but also acting as a deterrence for intruders. This camera also has true WDR, which helps balance out the bright sunlight and dark shadows. This means you get usable footage even in challenging lighting situations. You're able to set the level to low, medium, or high. Let's talk about the L5TW's smart events. Thanks to AI-powered processing, this turret has the ability to identify and filter between humans and vehicles. There's a wide assortment of smart events to choose from, including things like a line cross, intrusion, loitering, and so much more. You're able to set up arming schedules and even link active deterrence lights to these smart events. The lights on the front of the camera will flash when the event is triggered. So now let's answer the question, who is this camera for? The night viewing modes, the AI smart detection, the active deterrence, all mixed together with the cost-effective price makes this camera ideal for all sorts of installs. It's perfect for things like residential homes, storefront entrances, parking lots, warehouses, and office buildings. You might be starting to understand why we call this camera the Swiss Army knife of L series. This is one of our most popular cameras for a reason. One last feature that can't be ignored is that the L5TW comes completely blank, therefore making it brandable. If you're a part of our free to join dealer program, we will actually brand the blank products you purchase from us with your own custom logo. Perfect if you want to gain brand recognition and earn more business. As a dealer, you also gain access to perks like competitive pricing, referrals, lifetime tech support, downloadable marketing materials, exclusive monthly webinars, and so much more. There will be a link to the dealer sign-up page in the description of this video. One last thing to note is that the L5TW actually has a bullet counterpart that is exactly the same specs, same features, called the L5BW. If you prefer the bullet form factor, that camera is gonna be for you. And that's it. Got any questions for us? Leave a comment down below or feel free to reach out to our awesome sales and tech team here at Nellys Security. Leave a like if you found this video helpful. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.